Okay, fellas, so if you have some issues, if your game keeps crashing to desktop or freezing mid-match, it's kind of frustrating, so let's see what we can actually do. Let's go for some checks and working towards the deeper fixes. The first thing to do, just in case your game crashes, you wanted to update your graphic drivers. This solves the majority of game crashes on its own. So what I'm going to be doing here is to close my actual game. Let's go into my Start Windows tab, right click and open the element that says Device Manager. Here you want to expand the display adapters. Click directly inside here, right click into your graphic card, which in my case is this one, and here you want to go for update the actual driver. For the best results, you want to download the latest driver directory from NVIDIA, for example, AMD or Intel website, instead of relying into the Windows update. For this, for example, since I have an actual Asus TUF, let's say for example that I wanted to go for display, I can type update drivers, and usually it will be leaving me here into the asus.com elements, and you can see that we have the controllers, and I can select what's the latest version, and as you can see, the latest version comes from the 2022, so I think that I have the latest version. Now the next thing is to verify the game files. Most launchers like Steam or the Epic Games have a verify integrity for game files option. So in the games property or the settings menu that you can be finding directly into your actual games, usually what you want to do is to check for corrupted or missing files from a bad download or interrupted update, and re-downloads anything it has to be appearing as actual broken. If you can try to change your actual game graphics, for example, this can be helping to significantly your actual game is stopped from actual crashing. Something else that actually happens to me a lot is that I didn't know this, but since I have tons of applications open, meanwhile I'm actually going into an actual video game inside my PC, of course this won't let my computer continue with the CPU, and I can be looking out for Ctrl Alt Supreme, so I can click into the task manager, and directly into my task manager focus for the processes, and I make sure which is the actual applications or games or servers, for example, that are taking so much of my CPU. For example, here's the game, the OBS Studio, the Windows system, whatever. So choose the elements that you're not using so you can get more memory and more CPU total processors across all coast. And lastly, for example, is to check your temperatures. So overheating is a classic crash cause, so especially during a longer session. So you wanted to use a free tool like the HW monitor, so you can be checking out if your PC is in great temperature. And if it actually works, well, the last thing that I can be showing you, for example, is to close the background applications. Those are just a few elements that I can be showing you, for example, to help you with your actual computer. So guys, if you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. You can let us know in the comments below which is the actual game you're trying to is causing you troubles and what lets you continue into your computer, so we can try to find the actual right answer for your specific questions. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.